Hello everyone. Replacing a seat cover and cushion in this 14 F150 XL base model contractor vehicle. This is a dealership trade-in, so this seat's been pretty much beat to a pulp. We'll start off and pull this adjustment lever for the seat back, the cover, side cover, then the seat belt. I think that's a T50. The seat bolts, and these are 15 millimeter. I really like this 1/2 inch Milwaukee 90-degree impact. I use that one in my 3/8 all the time. Same thing for the back, two 15 millimeter bolts. They're just longer in the back. Sometimes these things will be rusted into the chassis. And pull the wiring. And this one doesn't have anything. There's no seat heater, no power lumbar, nothing. It does have manual lumbar. I'm surprised there's not more debris underneath the seat. And then there's another clip there for the lumbar knob. And pull the front trim plate off, and it's got a broken tab on it. And since this one's going to be pulverized in a few years, I'm just going to go ahead and repair it, glue it. It's a T20 Torx in the front and 8 millimeter in the back. Spray a little lube on this push clip. Take 2 large picks, then pick that out. Normally that's busted off also. Then free the bottom with a pick. It's got a metal snap clip. And it's snapped in half at the top, so we're just going to glue that also. And glue that little tab on this side cover. Then pull the front, or actually this is the back plastic channel. And the sides on these steel bodies, they're held in with Velcro in the back. And Velcro on the side. It's got all sorts of crud in there. Then pull this front plastic channel. Slip the cushion back. Just give it a hard tug and pull it out. Vacuum up some of the bigger chunks. Some of these seats will have everything in there. There'll be coins and animal crackers, and there's the cover number. And the driver's side and the passenger side are different. And here's the foam cushion number. And the front of this cover is attached with 3 hog rings. I just start in the center. And down in the foam cushion, there's some metal rod that's integrated into the foam. I'm just gonna crimp that hog ring around that rod. And install the other 2 hog rings. I've seen some people that have these in their nose. And then the rest of the cover is attached by Velcro. Just kind of start in the fronts and pull it tight and push it down hard onto the Velcro tab. Works really good. I haven't seen these ever pull off. The hook and loop on that thing is really strong. Then just wrestle this cover over the cushion. Try to get as many of the wrinkles out as you can. Then swap this strap over on the other side. Probably should have done that first. And that strap goes over the back section of the cushion. Then insert the back of the cover and just push that cushion. Just kind of wrestle that thing over the frame. Just keep working it side to side. Then you can pull it down, it'll fit into the groove. Just kind of snapped in there. Then reattach the side wings on it. Just try to work that foam cushion up into that cover as much as possible. Get the wrinkles out of it. And reattach that front channel. It'll just snap into place. Pull the back of the cover down taut. Snap in the inside channel. And work those fabric wings in the back. Kind of eyeball them in there and then pull the Velcro strips off. And stick them together. And then fasten the back in. And the cover's back on. Pretty straightforward. Then reinstall the side cover. Fasten that T20 Torx. Snap that push clip in. Nothing broke going back together. It's nice. And that section that was glued held. And install that back 8mm screw. This is the one I glued and repaired, and it seemed to hold and snap back in. Reinstall the lumbar lever or knob. Put the seat back in. Temporarily install the seat back lever. Run those back bolts in. Install the front bolts. Reinstall the shoulder belt. Snap the trim plate back in. and reinstall the lever. Yeah, this one turned out really good. Makes quite the difference having a new seat cover and cushion in it. Everything works good. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. We'll see you in the next video.